When most people purchase a CNC machine, they focus on the equipment itself. But successful CNC implementation is about much more than hardware. It's about training, support, workflow, and building the confidence to use technology successfully inside a real woodworking business. At Legacy Woodworking Machinery, our process begins long before production starts. We help customers prepare their shop environment, install the machine properly, and configure the system for long-term success. That includes machine placement, electrical preparation, dust collection integration, factory calibration, software setup, and tooling configuration. Because precision setup creates precision results. For many customers, CNC technology is a completely new process. That's why hands-on operational training is one of the most important parts of what we do. We help operators learn machine functions, safety procedures, material setup, tool changes, file loading, maintenance, and production workflow strategies. Our goal is to not simply teach software or buttons, it's helping customers become confident and productive. A powerful CNC system begins with design. We train customers to move from an idea to a drawing to a finished machine product. Training includes CAD design, CAM programming, toolpath strategies, joinery systems, decorative carvings, furniture components, cabinet construction, and production optimization. When customers understand both design and machining, the possibilities become unlimited. Learning CNC woodworking is a process that continues long after installation. As businesses grow and projects become more advanced, we continue supporting our customers through follow-up training and long-term technical assistance. We help customers improve production efficiency, advanced carving techniques, workflow optimizations, manufacturing strategies, specialized applications such as turning, part processing, joinery, 3D carvings, wrapped carving, custom molding, inlay, and full sheet nesting, because long-term success requires long-term support. Purchasing a CNC system is more than simply adding another machine to the shop. For many woodworkers and business owners, it represents a transition into a new way of designing, building, and growing their capabilities. Our goal is to make that transition as smooth, productive, and successful as possible. At Legacy Woodworking Machinery, we do far more than deliver equipment. We work directly with our customers through every stage of implementation and long-term development. Because CNC technology is not just about automation, it's about expanding what's possible.